Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to take a deep dive into Quillbot, a powerful AI-based rewriting tool designed to help you elevate your writing and create polished professional content with ease. I'll walk you through how to use Quillbot to rephrase sentences, enhance grammar, and optimize your text for clarity and impact. We will explore its different paraphrasing modes, demonstrate how to generate unique variations of your content, share tips for using it effectively in academic writing, blogging, or professional communication. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to leverage Quillbot to save time, improve your writing quality, and communicate your ideas more effectively. So right now I'm at the website of the quillbot.com. Okay, so they also have a Chrome extension that you can use for free, and basically it will help you read writing of your text, whether you write an email or you write any text to your friend, or you can use it customize in your research papers and document files, each and everything. It will help you to rewrite your text and give it a professional look. So let's add it to Chrome. So it will take us to the Chrome web store, and here I have to select add to Chrome, and then this extension will be added into your Chrome, and then you can use it freely. And it's free, of course, there are no charges for it. It's also works like Grammarly. Like in Grammarly, it gives you a underlined word, like it underline it if the word is wrong, and also give you a suggestion for the correct word. So in the same way, this one also works. Okay, so it is in download process. So finally, it's almost downloaded, and then this extension will be added into our Chrome, and I will then show you how it works as well. So finally, this extension has been added, and it is also giving some suggestion, real-time grammar suggestion, wherever you write, go to any website, write your text, and apply suggestion. So we will definitely check for it. So let's try this in Gmail. So let's go to our Gmail account. So in the Gmail, I will write some irregular words like incorrect words, and let's see if it corrects it and gives it a suggestion for the correction. Okay, so let's write on the click on the compose. So here finally we have got the composition section. Let's write a greetings. So I will write spelling mistakes here. Greetings, how are you? And let's see if this works. As you can see, that has underline the word and also give the correct suggestions for it. You can see. And if you want more, they are also providing some feature for the premium plan. Like if you want to do for a professional purposes, like you have to do multiple changes, so that's why you have to get their premium package plan, so that you can get unlimited corrections. Okay, so for now I'm doing ignore this, and let's do this correct. It has already highlighted it. So that's how basically you can use Quillbot for rewriting your emails or anything that you are doing on writing in text form. It will give you a correct suggestion. So that was all about Quillbot and how to use it and how to add it to your Chrome browser. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.